Hey, Darren Chupp here with Chupp Industrial in Choteau, Oklahoma. Standing here in front of some of our portable restroom units that we sell. Over here we've got what we call a single model. It's got a toilet and a sink in it. Right here we're looking at the back of what we call our dual unit. It's got a sink and toilet for each side. And then finally over here we call this our shower unit. It's got a shower in it as well as a toilet also. The purpose of today's video is just a short rundown of how we terminate the plumbing on the back of our dual unit. We call this a dual unit because it's got a men's and a women's side. Each side has its own toilet, its own sink, and a wall separating the two with their own access doors. The toilets we use in all of these models are rear discharge. So you can see here we have a 3-inch PVC pipe coming out the back of both of our toilets on each side. We're coming into our 3-inch PVC main line right here. We've got a clean out right here. And over here on the end is where typically you'll terminate this into your septic system. Now these are portable units. They are limited by the need to be piped into an existing septic system. So over here you might have to do a little bit of reconfiguring, but all these piping that you see here is going to be included when you purchase one of these restroom units from us at Chupp Industrial. So you're not running back and forth to the hardware store trying to get the right parts, trying to hook this up. We've eliminated that step for you and we're making it as easy as we can. We've got a 1-inch discharge right here. Your sink is your gray water and it discharges separately, obviously, from your toilets. So we've got a 1-inch line and that ties in here to our main line as well. Right here, we're looking at our water inlet. This supplies water to the restroom unit. It's a 1/2-inch national pipe thread fitting. You can connect your PEX, PVC, copper to that. You can also put an adapter on there to convert it to hook up to a garden hose. Again, you are only going to get these parts right here when you purchase one of these restrooms from Chupp Industrial. Guys, we try to make this as easy, for our customers as we can. We've been using one of these models on our property for about 4 years. We've sold over 200 of these units and shipped them all over the United States. We've sold them to RV parks, wedding venues, Airbnbs, job sites, business use, as well as personal use as well. Our shower models are commonly used for pool houses. Remember Chupp Industrial when you're ready to elevate your guest experience or if you have personal use for a facility like one of these. Thank you.